Alright, so here's day 2 of my progress. As you may be able to tell, it has rained, so that kind of halted where I finished. If I take this tarp off, this is the progress that I was able to make today. So essentially, I already had the bottom frame here. So I added this front piece and secured the 2 dividers that are in the middle. You can see the screw holes. And then I also added the side bench pieces on both sides. And then if we look at it from this view, I added the 2x2 framing on the bench there, and up on the side, and up here as well, and the 2x2 that goes across. Same thing on the other side. And then I also made sure that the 2 dividers here were square. So got all that done. And of course there's the angle that I put on the front there. It's a 45-degree angle. And then I also went around and caulked some more of the seams and the screws. So anyways, and then I had to quickly halt everything and put my tools away as it was pouring down rain. It's dried up a little bit since then. So this is about 3 hours of work for today. I wished I would have been able to get it painted, but I'll have to save that for the next work day. So anyways, it's coming along. I'm getting excited. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. And of course, I hope you have a wonderful day.